Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of skunks invading your garden, digging up your hard work, and leaving behind that awful smell? Well, it's time to put an end to it, for good. I've got some awesome, easy, and effective ways to get rid of skunks in your garden. So sit back, relax, and watch till the end, so that you don't miss any steps. Let's dive into it. Before we kick skunks out, let's talk about why they're here in the first place. Skunks don't show up just for fun. They're looking for food, shelter, and a safe place to hang out. If your yard has open trash, fallen fruits, pet food, or even a grub-filled lawn, congratulations, you've just rolled out the welcome mat for them. And if you've got cozy hiding spots like wood piles, bushes, or gaps under your deck, they might even move in. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to make your yard the last place a skunk wants to be. Alright, now let's get to the good part. How to get rid of skunks in your garden fast and effectively. 1. Remove their food supply. Skunks are lazy hunters. If food is easy to find, they'll stick around. So, step 1, cut off their buffet. Secure your trash cans with tight lids, pick up fallen fruits, and don't leave pet food outside overnight. Also, if you see holes in your lawn, skunks might be digging for grubs. Treating your lawn for grubs will make your yard a lot less appealing. 2. Motion-activated sprinklers and lights. Skunks hate surprises. Installing motion-activated sprinklers or lights will startle them and make your yard feel unsafe. The moment they waddle in, boom, water sprays, lights flash, and they're running the other way. It's harmless, but super effective. 3. Use natural repellents. Skunks have powerful noses, and we can use that against them. They hate the smell of vinegar, citrus peels, and even ammonia. Soak some rags in vinegar or ammonia and place them near skunk burrows or hiding spots. You can also sprinkle orange or lemon peels around your garden to keep them away naturally. 4. Seal off hiding spots. If skunks can't find a cozy shelter, they'll move on. Check under decks, sheds, and porches. These are prime real estate for skunks. Seal off any gaps or holes with wire mesh or boards so they can't settle in. 5. Predator scent trick. Want to trick skunks into thinking a bigger predator is around? Use fox or coyote urine. Yes, it sounds gross, but you can buy it online or at garden stores. Just sprinkle it around your yard, and skunks will think twice before sticking around. These all methods work best when used together. Block their food, remove their shelter, and make your yard feel unsafe for them. Do it right, and skunks won't just leave. They won't come back. What not to do as you implement your skunk removal strategies. It's crucial to know what not to do to avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive into some key missteps to steer clear of. 1. Avoid direct confrontation. Resist the urge to chase or scare skunks away. These creatures are more likely to spray when they feel threatened, leaving you with an unpleasant odor to deal with. Instead, use passive deterrence to encourage them to leave on their own. 2. Don't trap and relocate without proper authorization. Trapping and relocating skunks isn't as straightforward as it seems. In many places, including Texas, this practice is regulated to prevent ecological disruptions and potential harm to the animals. Failing to adhere to these regulations can result in legal consequences. 3. Refrain from using poison or harmful chemicals. Using poisons or harmful chemicals poses significant risks not only to skunks but also to other wildlife, pets, and even humans. These substances can contaminate the environment and lead to unintended casualties. Opt for humane and eco-friendly deterrent methods instead. 4. Don't neglect preventative measures. Implementing deterrence is effective, but without addressing attractants, skunks may return. Ensure you eliminate food sources, secure trash bins, and seal potential nesting sites to make your yard less inviting. 5. Avoid handling skunks without professional assistance. Skunks can carry diseases such as rabies. Handling them without proper training increases the risk of disease transmission. It's best to contact wildlife control professionals who have the expertise and equipment to manage skunk situations safely. Avoid these mistakes. Stick to the right methods, and you'll have a skunk-free yard without any nasty surprises. Now, I've got to ask, have you dealt with skunks or maybe another wildlife problem in your yard? What's worked for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I know it's a small channel, but I'm working hard to share everything I can to help people with the little that I know. Your support really means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep those gardens wild animal free.